Alright, I'm working on the old Ford truck here. A lot of guys been asking about it, you know, what's going on with it. And it's today is September, I think 15th, 16th. I think the 15th. And I haven't worked on it all summer, you know, because it's just been too hot. You know, I mean, it's been in the 90s, 90, 95, almost 100 degrees almost every day. And if it wasn't 100 degrees, then it was raining or something. So I haven't really done anything to this thing. But what is done is, you know, the fenders are all done. They're both painted. I got the grill done and all that. That's in the back room just waiting. I got the tailgate done. You know, you guys all seen that. I put the old one on just so it looks half decent. But I finally got some cool weather the other day, and I don't know if you guys seen the roof, but the roof was really rotted out bad here. Let me get my little steps through. Yeah, this was rotted real bad. So like right there, you wonder how could that rot out, and you think, well, there's water sitting in the rain gutter, but that's not what happens. What happens is you see this roof here? This roof is put on. It's spot welded to the bottom half of the truck. And what happens is the temperature difference, it actually rains inside the truck if you don't have insulation. And that's probably what happened here. You know, like if it's hot outside, you know, you got the air conditioner on and you're getting condensation on the roof, and it rolls down and sits right there. So I had to cut this out and weld some metal in there, and then grind it down. And this here is fiberglass, so I'm gonna sand that down and then do body work on it. But my job today is I'm cleaning out the rest of the rain gutter here, you know, because they had it all filled in. Sorry about the camera work, because I'm trying to look at what I'm doing and talk to you guys at the same time. So that's what we're doing today. Let's go around the other side. I got both sides done. I mean, it was rusted really bad, bubbling up and everything. This side here was rotted out here, and it didn't look all that bad. I mean, it was bubbling, you know. But I had to chip all the bubbling out and everything to get to the metal, see how much damage there was. So that's all solid. But now I got to do across the hood. I don't know if you can see that all bubbling, or the roof. I said hood, but I meant roof. So I got to chisel that all out. You know, I did this took one day, and then the other side took another day, and I'll probably be working just on the front here. So it's a lot of work. Like I say, it's the weather's been holding me up. So that's just for the guys that were asking. And I probably won't be doing too many videos on this, because it's kind of boring, and I actually lose subscribers, you know, because they don't come to my channel to see body work. You know, they want to see engines and stuff. So I'm not going to show you me doing anything, you know. I'll just give you an update, you know, on progress, and show you what we're doing. So alright, let me get some work done. Got my little beach umbrella up here. That keeps me, you know, I work under here. I bought a tent. I actually bought a tent. Pop-up canopy. That's pretty nice, you know, for the days where I'm going to really go at this, you know, like for the hood and everything, where I won't be in one spot. So, alright. Enough talking. I appreciate you guys that are interested in it and ask about it. So that's why I'm doing this video. It's probably not going to be too long. So, alright, let me get back to work. I'll probably show you after oh yeah, let me get up here and show you actually what's going on here. Get my little stool. You know what? I got my knee pad here, and I'm actually kneeling up on the hood. I'm up on top of the hood now. Try and do that with one of these newer cars. Yeah. Up here, I'm just going to grind it down luckily in a lot of spots, if you're going to restore this to a show car, this really should be cut out. But it's solid, so I might spot blast it or just treat it. But I'm going to grind it down to bare metal and everything. And the tough part is really actually getting into this crevice back here and popping all the old putty out. But we're getting it. There's some more bubbling. Like I say, it's mostly just bubbling up here. Not too bad, but if it needs metal, we'll put metal in. All right, let me get to work. All right, yeah, I'm happy with it. I used the grinder, 36 grit scraper, a chipper, right? I had to chip out all the putty that was in there and stuff, and variety of wire wheels there, and we're happy with it. So what I'm going to do now is hit it with some phosphoric acid, and that'll neutralize everything, and then we'll put down some putty, or not putty, but fiberglass. Yeah, thankfully it wasn't as bad as the sides were, so it'll be okay. I got every little last bit of putty out, every little crevice, and not only is it putty, there was probably seam sealer too, but it's all out of there, so it's all going down to fresh metal. Alright, I'm going to treat the rust with this stuff. It's not Gatorade, that's metal prep here. They changed the name of it. I forgot what it was called, but they changed it to concrete and metal prep, but it's the same stuff. All it is phosphoric acid. There you go. Right here. That's the only ingredient. It contains phosphoric acid. Anytime you go to a store and buy little cans or stuff, for like $5 or $10 that say, rust remover, rust preventer, rust this, 99% of the time, all it is phosphoric acid. So you're better off just buying a gallon of it for $16, I think, and be done with it. Yeah, the stuff works pretty good. So look, it helps paint stick, helps everything stick, cleans concrete. But we're going to put that on there, and that'll neutralize all that remaining. It's mostly staining and stuff, but it's good stuff. I'm going to do that, and then we'll throw some fiberglass on there. Yeah, if I remember, I'll put a link in the description. I'll try and find some of this stuff for you. Alright, I slapped the fiberglass on there. This is stuff I use. A couple guys asked me last time I used it. The Dynaglass. It's all stuff. It's just different brands. When you look at this stuff, everybody thinks it's expensive and everything, but then if you include this, they always include this with a can. A tube of hardener goes for about $8 or $9 nowadays. So it's really not that bad. Alright, yeah, I'm happy with the way that came out. And if you look at it, you look down here, you can see the hair sticking out. Fiberglass. Yeah, we still have a lot of work to do up there, but I'm going to call that good for today. Oh, and that metal prep stuff, that phosphoric acid, I checked that, and it's too expensive on Amazon and stuff. If you go to Lowe's, you can get it. They actually raised the price. Last time I bought it, I think it was $16, but it's up to about $18 now. So go there, get yourself a gallon of that stuff. Good stuff. All right, what do you say? Enough of this? Let me see. Let's get a thumbnail here. Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going. A little further. Alright, good enough. Alright, yeah, it's going to be a short one. This really isn't a how-to video or nothing. It's just showing progress, There's not that much interest in this bodywork stuff, so, and most of the time it's just filling and sanding and filling and sanding and grinding, and, I understand people can't be too interested in that, so. Alright, like I say, it's just a little update on what we're doing with this, so what do you say? Enough of this? Alright.